that reach.
Yeah, I told him stay on the outside no matter what, because once he gets inside, he's done. Because that guy's freaking quick. He looks like
Is he really?
He's really quick.
He's big.
Yeah, and he's gonna fucking if he gets in.
He'll do damage if he gets in.
Yeah. No.
Let's go, baby.
Come on, Ramsey, let's go.
Reach.
Come on, Ramsey! Get in there, Ramsey! Let's go!
There you go.
Oh, that guy's too low.
He got really good.
Yeah,
You go that way?
No, you can't. You can't be under the belt.
Get out of there.
Oh, that guy's bleeding, dude.
Who is? The other dude?
Come
Yeah.
on, Ramsey.
No.
Get in there, Ramsey.
Is he?
Yeah.
There you go. Do some damage. No, he's not. Oh. He's mad. He's hard. He's tired. You see him? Just like running in. He's like a lion. He's bleeding bad, dude. You're right.
I think he headbutted him. I think.
No, he didn't.
I think this guy.
Bloody nose.
Bloody nose? He just got hit.
Don't laugh.
Remember, you getting hit by the nose? Do you remember that? You don't remember that?
I do remember it, but I don't know how I got cheated.
We were in the corner, and you were like, you hit me.
Oh, uppercut. It was uppercut.
Yeah, at some point. I don't remember when or.
Yeah.
I just